Good afternoon, girls. How are you all? I hope that you are all fine and in good health. Today we will start a new lesson, prime and composite numbers. So please bring your books and open your books on page 306 and bring your pencils. Okay, girls, let's start our lesson. Okay, there is 17 here in the class. Where is the others? Okay. So, hello Rimas. Hi Kinda. So, girls, today our lesson is prime and composite numbers. Prime and composite numbers. How can you tell whether a number is a prime or composite number? Prime and composite, there are two kinds of numbers. Now we will see how I will identify this number is a prime or this number is a composite. Thank you, Ariam. Hello, girls. How are you? So let's start with the first thing. A prime number. First thing, I will talk about a prime number. Did you remember, girls, when I told you, I think when we talk about the factors? Thank you, Bisan. Thank you. I'm fine, thank you. So, girls, please focus with me now because we will start. Girls, did you remember when we talk about the factors? I told you at least any number, at least, has two factors, the number and one. Okay? So when we talk about the factors for any number, I told you that at least any number has two factors, one and the same number. Now I want you to keep this in your mind because we will use it in this lesson. So first thing, let's here read the definition for prime number and composite number. Okay, girls, a prime number. A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that has exactly two factors, 1 and itself. Okay? Taline, please don't talk to your friend in Arabic and don't talk about anything not related to math, okay? So, first thing, a prime number is a whole number, any whole number greater than 1. That's mean I have to, or this number must be greater than 1. This number has exactly, that's mean just two factors, the 1 and itself. If any number has two factors only, the number or itself and 1, we name this number prime number. Let's take an example. Okay, girls, please don't talk to your friend Bisan. Ariam also, please. Now. Okay, that's okay, Bisan. Okay, that's okay. So please, girls, now focus with me. Look at the number 11. Okay, I want you to look at number 11. This number, what is the factors for this number? That's mean what are the numbers? If I multiply it by each other, the answer will be 11. There is any two numbers. Can I multiply it by each other? Can I multiply it by each other? The answer will be 11. Okay, I will write it again. Could you please tell me? Yes, look, 11, if I look at the multiplication table, there is no numbers. If I multiply it by each other, the answer will be 11. Just the number 11 multiplied by 1. So this number has exactly two factors. Look, two factors. The 1 and itself. We name this number prime number. So 11 is a prime number because there is no factors for 11 except 11 and 1. Okay? What is the composite number? Composite number is a whole number greater than 1 that has more than two factors. So this number, this composite number, has more than two factors. Not so. Let's take an example like number 4. If I want to find the factors for number 4, which numbers, if I multiply it by each other, the answer will be 4. I have 2 multiply 2 according to the multiplication table. Okay, and I have what? 4 multiply 1. So how many factors I have here? Let's here count the factors. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 factors. The factors are 1 and 2 and 4. I have 3 factors here. That means I have more than 2 factors. So this number, we name it a composite number. Okay? So those two kinds of numbers according to the factors of the number. You have to save the definition, please, to identify this number is a composite or prime. Okay, girls? Now let's take a look to the first example on the page 306. First thing, he told me that I want you to use the model to find here. Okay, just 1 minute. I will erase those. Okay, very good, Sana. You understand it? Very good. Now, girls, I want you to use this grid to find the factors for 18. So the number is 18 here. Okay. Next to this page, I will find the factors for 18. As I know that which two numbers, if I multiply it by each other, the answer will be 18. Yes, very good then. It's 2 multiply 9. Another two factors. Also, 1 multiply 18. Very good. Another two factors. I have two numbers. If I multiply it by each other, the answer will be 18. Will tell me. Very good, Kinda. Very good, Zen. Thank you. 6 multiply 3. The answer will be 18. So all those numbers are factors for 18. So I will draw each two numbers, each two factors by a model. As we learned in the factor lesson, how I will draw the model that represents 2 multiply 9. 2 multiply 9, that means I will use 2 rows, and in each row I have 9 square. So I have to draw 2 rows, okay, like this. Okay, 2 rows. In each row I have to put 9 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so this is the first model. It's 9 here and 2 here. If you count the number of squares, it will be 18. Now I will represent the second one. 1 multiply 18. I have here to draw one row, and in this one row I have 18 square. So let's draw it. Let's draw it here, girls. One row, and in this row I have 18 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, this is the second one. I have one row and 18 square. What about the last one? 6 multiply 3. I can here choose to draw 3 rows. In each row I have 6 square. Okay, so I have 3 rows. In each row I have 6 squares. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, also if you count the number of squares, it will be 18. Okay, Ariam, please dear, don't talk to your friend now and focus on the lesson, please. Okay, girls, so those 2 or those 3 models, don't worry, dear, it's okay. So here's 6 and 3. Those 3 models for the factors for number 18. Now, so if I want to write the factors for 18, so I have 1, I have 2, also here 1, 2, and I have 3, I have 6, and 9, and 18. Okay? So how many factors here? Count the factors and tell me, 18 is a prime or composite number? Who will tell me? Is it prime or composite? If it's prime, write P. If it's composite, write C. Very good, Zan. I want you to send for me in the direct message, okay? Send for me in a direct message. Just one time, girls. Just one time. Very good. So this number has more than 2 factors. Look, more than 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors. So more than 2, that means this is a composite number. So this number is what? Is a composite. This is the answer for this question. Okay? So this number is a composite number. Write composite here, okay? And if you finish, please type 1 in the chat, just one time. Yes, so easy. Yes. Okay, I think all of you finished. All of you finished. Now let's see number okay, number 11. Sorry, no, number 2. The number is 11. I want here to write if this number is a composite or a prime. Okay, if this number is a composite or prime. So how I will decide here? I will decide by counting the number of factors for this number. Okay, so I will know here if this number is a prime or composite by counting the number of factors for this number. If I have more than 2, that means this number is A composite, if I have only just two numbers, the one and the same number, so that's mean this number is a prime. Let's start. 11. What is the factors for 11? What is the factors for 11? Which two numbers, if I multiply it by each other, the answer will be 11. Very good. I have only 1 multiply 11. There is any two numbers. If I multiply it by each other, the answer will be 11. No, this is not 300. It's 306, girls. Okay? Very good. There is no numbers. If I multiply it by each other, the answer will be 11, except 11 multiply 1. So I have exactly two factors. The number, the number, the same number, and 1. That means this number is what? Is prime. Very good. This is a prime number. So I have to write prime, okay? Now, let's see 37. Here, to decide if I have a number consists of two digits, okay? If I have two-digit number or big number, so I have to return to the divisibility rules here. I have to return to the divisibility rules. Let's think about 73. 73 is a big number. How I will know if this number has factors? Let's try. This number able to divide or divisible by 2? No. Look, this number I can't divide it by 2 because the ones is not even number. It's not even. It's odd. Now, what about the 3? Can I divide it by 3? Look, add the digits. I have to add the digits. If the addition or the sum for the digits divisible by 3, that means this number is divisible by 3. Add 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 10, can I divide it by 3? No, no, I can't. I can't divide it. I can't divide 10 by 3. So that means this number is not divisible by 3. What about 5? Can I divide 73 by 5? Also no. Very good then, because the ones must be 0 or 5. 0 or 5. Here the ones is not 0, it's not 5. Okay? So this number is not divisible by 5. Okay? So also, if you want to check 6 and 9, you can check it from the divisibility rules. You will see that this number can be divided by any number except 73 and 1. That's mean the factors for this number is 1 and the same number. That's mean this number has two factors only, exactly two factors. So this number is a prime. Okay, very good. What about 69? Also, 69 is a prime number or composite number. Let's think about the divisibility rules. Can I divide 69 by 2? Who will tell me? Can I divide it by 2? I think here the ones is not even number. That's mean I can divide it by 2. What about 3? Can I divide this number by 3? Kinda? Kinda, please open the mic. Tell me, can I divide this number by 3? Not multiply, add. 6 plus 9. I have to add the sum, find the sum of the digits, right? Yes, very good. 15 divisible by 3. Can I divide 15 by 3? Very good. That means this number is divisible by 3. So this number has a 3 as a factor. Okay, thank you, Kinda. So this number has 3 as a factor. Also has 1 and 69. Okay, so if you divided this number by 3, The answer will be what? The answer will be 23. So this number has more than two factors. Very good. This number has more than two factors. Have one, two, three, four. If you want to try to find from the divisibility rules, this number is divisible by 6 or 9. You can try by the divisibility rules, but I have here to decide if this number is prime or composite only. So I will stop here now and said that this number has more than two factors. That means this is a composite number. Okay? What about 42? Girls, 42. I want to choose now Zen. Yes, Zen. Could you please tell me this number is divisible by 2? Yes, why? Very good. The ones is even number. That means this number is divisible by 2. So 2 is a factor for this number. Okay? And 1 and the same number 42, right? What about 3? Can I divide this number by 3? Sum the digits. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Very good. 6 divisible by 3? Yes, that means also 3 is a factor for this number. Thank you, Zen. So girls, look, from the divisibility rules, I have to know here, I have to save it first, then I have to know if this number is composite or prime from the factors. If you divided, very good, Kinda, thank you for giving me the factors. 2 multiply 21, this is the first two factors, and 3 multiply 14 also, it will give me 42. Very good. So look, I have more than two factors. That means this number is composite. Okay, this number is composite. It's not prime. Okay? Okay? Okay, girls, now did you finish? If you finish, okay, type 1 in the chat. Yes, Lana, what's your question? Again, please. Y is composite. Because this is the rule, Lana. This is the rule. The rule told me if I have to name the number, I have to name the number. The number is prime or composite. How I will name the number? According to the number of factors. Okay? According to the number of factors. If the number, like 11, here, like 11, has only two factors, we name it prime. So this prime from me, I have to decide here. This number is a prime or composite according to the number of factors. If I have only two, that means this number is a prime. Look, if I have here more than two, that means 3, 4, 5, 100 factors, etc. So that means I will decide that this number is a composite number. Okay? This is the rule. Thank you, Lana. Okay, girls, did you finish? Type 1 if you finish, please. Just one time. Okay, I think all of you finished. Let's move now to the next page. The next page is 307. Okay, now girls, I have here number 6. I have also to decide the number is composite or the number is prime. Okay, no, Kinda, we will not complete number 17, 18, 19 because I told you in the I will not complete those 17, 18, 19. We will not solve it. So that's mean in the homework don't solve number 7, 8, 9. Okay? So girls, now number 6, 18 is a prime or composite. Now, yes, Bisan, open the mic and tell me. 18, 18 has any factor? 18 has any factor? There is any two numbers. If I multiply it by each other, the answer will be 18. Now we talk about, yes, 2 multiply 9 and 3 multiply 6. Very good. So has only 2 or more than 2? Composite. Very good. Thank you, Bisan. Very good. So 18 is a composite number because has more than 2 factors. If you try to find the factors, you will see that you have 3, 6, 2, 9, 1, 18. So that's mean this is a composite number. What about now number 7? 49. Okay, yes, Aline, open the mic and tell me this number has any factors except 1 and 49? Aline, open the mic. Okay, Aline? Yes, dear, there is any two numbers. If I multiply it by each other, the answer will be 49. Okay, now I will repeat. There is any two numbers. If I multiply it by each other, the answer will be 49. Think about multiplication table. Yes. Think about the multiplication table. Yes, very good, Sana. I have what? 7 multiply 7. Very good. That's mean how many factors for 49? I have only 2 or more than 2? I have 2 or more than 2? I have more than 2, right? Yes, because I have 1 and 49 and 7. So this number is a prime or composite? Composite. Very good. Thank you, Aline. So now let's move to number 8, 29. Okay. Now let's choose Duha. Okay, Duha, open the mic. And I want you to help me to find the factors for 29, Duha. There is any two numbers, if I multiply it by each other, the answer will be 29? No. So let's mean how many factors for 29? Very good. Exactly, I have two factors. That's mean this number is a prime or composite. If I have exactly two, very good, Duha. That's mean I have only two. That's mean this number is prime. Thank you, girls. What about 64? Now I want to decide this number is a prime or composite. Okay, let's see with Lana. What are you typing in the chat? What are you sending, please? Okay, yes, dear. Lana, I want you to help me to find the factors for 64. There is any factors for 64? Okay, another two factors. There is any two factors except one, multiply 64 from the multiplication table. You have two numbers. If you multiply it by each other, the answer will be 64 from the multiplication table. Or you can think about the divisibility rules. Look, this number able to divide by 2? Yes, because the ones is even, right? So I can divide it by 2. So 2 is a factor for 64, right? So that's mean I have only two factors for 64 or more than two. More than two, very good. That's mean this number is a prime or composite. Very good, Lana. Thank you, dear. So this is how I will decide if this number is prime or composite. Now let's see, Ghaida, open the mic and help me. Yes, dear. Now I have 33. 33. I want you to help me to find the factors for 33. 33 able to divide by 2. Can I divide it by 2? The ones is even number. The ones is even number. It's not even, it's odd number. So that's mean I can divide it by 2. So can I divide it by 3? Let's see. If I want to know if this number is divisible by 3, the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. Add the digits. 3 plus 3 equals what? 6 is divisible by 3. 6 is divisible by 3. Aida? Yes, yes, I can divide it by 3. That means 3 is a factor for 33. So if you try 3 multiply 11 give you 33. And I have 1 multiply 33. So how many factors I have here? Only 2 or more than 2? غيداء. Only 2 or more than 2? That means this number is a prime or composite? Very good. Thank you, Ghaida. Now, okay, girls. Now I will solve number 11 because we have only 2 minutes in our session. Number 11, 89. 89 is a prime or composite. Let's try to find the factors for 89. This number is divisible by 2? No, because the ones is not even number. So I can divide it by 2. Also, if I want to know if this number is divisible by 3, can I divide it by 3? Add or sum the digits. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9, if you try to add it, the answer will be 17. 17 divisible by 3? No. Also, this number is divisible by 5? Also, no, because the ones is not 0, it's not 5, so this number is not divisible by 5. Also, try to find 6 and 9. You will see that this number is not divisible by 6 or 9. So that's mean the factors for this number is 1 multiply 89 only. I have two factors, so we name this number what? Prime number. Prime number, because I have only two factors for this number. Let's see 52. 52, look, from the ones I will see that the ones is 2. The ones is 2, that's mean even number. So this number is divisible by 2. So if you try to divide it, this number by 2, you will see that 2 multiply what? Who will tell me? 2 multiply which number? It will give me 52. 2 multiply 26, it will give me 52. So this number has more than 2 factors. Okay, that's mean this number is prime or composite. That means this number is a composite number. The last one, 76. 76. Look, the ones is 6. 6 is even number. That means this number able to divide by 2 also. If you try to divide this number by 2, it will be 38. So this number is divisible by 2. Also, I have 2 factors for this number, 1 and the same number. Okay, I will erase this 4. I'm sorry. Okay, and 1 and 76. So that's mean I have more than 2 factors. That's mean this number is prime or composite. It's prime or composite. If I have more than 2, it's composite. Okay, so girls, this is our lesson today. The period is finished. I hope that you will solve the homework and send it for me. Have a nice day and see you inshallah next week. Thank you and bye.